The book. Dad told me of the book. Oh my god. And then the stickers. This is like a manual. I knew there were boxes, man. Oh my god. Which one are you starting with? She may not look like much, but she's got it where it counts. Kid. How does it know I'm a kid? How many pages are there? I'm gonna finish this in a day. No, I'm kidding. 400 and... Bad thing, this is a flip book. I'm really bad because I always get them stuck in these things. There are 6 wonders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there a minifigure first thing? So these are all the bags inside. There's 17 bags, but there's actually 60 bags. And there's actually 64 bags, including these. So look at all the bags. So stay tuned for part 1, the big one, which is 6 bags.